Welcome back to Slot Ladies with me and Melissa. We're about to do another challenge with $100 on a lightning link. Melissa's doing heartthrob.
Yes.
And I'm riding the ponies.
Giddy up.
Yeah.
$100 in. Let's collect.
Put it in the wrong
hole. Okay. 50 lines we are playing.
Those of you monitoring YouTube and trying to shut down our channel for inappropriate content, she meant that I put it in the wrong slot.
Hole. Slot hole. The wrong part of the
I put
slot
it
machine.
In the wrong side. To be politically correct.
Okay, we starting out with 150?
Yeah. What did you do? 1 cent denomination? Yeah.
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 Ooh. 6 hearts, I already know. Oh, look at you, got Jack Rich. I want 6 of these to start this lightning link, man. I love the lightning cash. Come on.
First, we're gonna hit Hialeah, and then the Kentucky Derby.
Wear the big old pretty hats.
Me and Hawaii were just talking the other day about we want to go to the Derby in person this year. Diamonds.
Girl's best friend. Got a little buck 65. I like chocolate too.
You do?
I just don't eat it.
I win!
Ooh, you got the horseshoes.
I did.
Giddy up.
I win. Am I in a bonus? I am. Da-da-da.
$3 scatter, nice. Come on, spin a room. Lightning, lightning, lightning. Yes.
6 games. Nothing?
Come on.
TV. Run faster.
I know you can do a really good horse noise, by the way.
I can't do a horse noise. I can do a pig noise.
Oh, pig noise? I used to.
I mean, I can try to neigh.
Come on, 6 of them.
This isn't a very good feature. Another one.
Come on.
Well, at least if I don't win anything, maybe it'll get all the losing spins out of the machine system.
So you won 375?
Yeah.
Bad horsey.
That was rough.
It seems so good.
Yeah, you always bet on the horse that pees before the race. I don't think that horse peed before the race.
I don't think you did. Why do they do that? Make them lighter?
Yeah. And maybe to free up concentration. Can you imagine having to run a race if you had to pee real bad?
Right. I'd probably pee and run at the same time.
Stop in the middle of the race.
Come on. $0.96. Let's put another 2 zeros behind it.
I always really, really wanted to ride horses on the beach. So when I went to Fort Pierce with my friend, me and her hopped on the horses and we were riding horses on the beach. Not only did it pour rain on us,
oh no.
And then I got kicked by a horse, and then we got one picture of that entire ride. On that picture, my horse is peeing. It's a fail.
Was that the time when the horse was like up in the other horse's butt?
Yeah, my horse kept getting up in her horse's butt, and then her horse turned, and I ended up like sideways to her, and her horse kicked me in the leg.
Ouch.
Big old bruise.
Got $11 for that. Yeah, horses, when they kick, they don't play.
Sometimes they're playing, but it doesn't feel good.
Another 96 cents. I want the feature. Come on. Make my heart throb with a whole bunch of these.
You know, always time around horses, though, the worst injury I ever got was a pony stepping on my foot.
Ooh,
like a tiny pony stepping on my foot. Did more damage than all the times I'd been kicked or bucked off or stomped on.
I was driving through Oklahoma, heading back from Oklahoma City up to Tulsa, and of course we're on 2-lane highways. Well, I was with my friend Jenny, and I wanted to ride a horse.
Yeah.
I kept seeing horse signs on the sides of fences. Didn't see no horses, but so I take a road. She's like, "You really think you're gonna go horseback riding?" I'm like, "Oh, you can count on it."
I saw a sign.
Drove like 5 miles down this deserted road to see this old guy. He was grooming his sunflowers. His sunflowers are like bigger than my head. And asked him about the horse farm, and he said, that sign is for a miniature horse farm.
Aww.
He said, but there's horses up the road a couple miles. Pulled in. Oh, totally just walked up on people. Like, can I ride your horses? I'll pay you. He tried not to take my money, but I still gave him like 50 bucks. And it was only in the corral, you know what I mean? It wasn't out and about. It was nice.
I miss riding. All the horses I used to ride are now old, and
6 hearts.
I wouldn't feel right making them
No.
move around.
Yeah. Come on, give me the feature. Need the feature. It's gonna hit.
These are the slowest horses I've ever seen in my life.
You just need the screen full of horses. Maybe that will help. Oh,
A screen full of
I want
shoes
6
would be
hearts.
fantastic.
6 hearts are all diamonds.
Trophies. Come on, Seabiscuit.
That was a good movie.
It's a good movie.
I double tapped on that one, gave me a little something. A little $1.20. Come on, let's do
We're
this.
still at 150. I dropped down to $1. I was give it up.
I tried to draw my bet and now I'm about to
I
hit
want
it.
a little bit.
6.
420.
Come on. No, I'm staying at $1.50. Come on.
No.
It is a must.
Unless that's full of money, I'll take it.
Come on.
Yep.
Play. Hearts. I really want my hearts.
I want the trophies.
51 right now. Come on, Lightning Lake. Lightning Cash. 15 cents.
I need little hand sanitizers.
Oh. Yeah, I double tapped it once. Oh.
Oh,
Come on.
I double tapped.
Nice.
That's binoculars.
30 cents. Okay, I'm going down to $1. Ooh. Ah. Let me play the feature. I want to play. Oh. I want to play. Come on. Don't break my heart now, baby. Daggone nabbit. I'm at 36. You still at 61.
I'm winning a challenge.
For now. You heard her, machine.
The only way that I win is by both of us losing. It's not good.
Come on. Yes? Ooh, that would have been a nice one. Come on. 6 hearts. You're making my heart throb.
They are?
Charlie.
Charlie. It's Charlie.
Oh, come on. We got 30 more bucks. Let's do this. At least give me one feature.
My feature didn't do very good.
True. It was really your scatter pay. 274. 6 hearts. Come on. Good juju. Good juju, y'all. Come on. 6. Or 3 of the moons. I give me a feature too. Just show me a feature.
If we don't hit something, this is going to be a really sad round.
This is. It kind of already is. Like,
We're not
I
even
feel it.
hitting little things. Just like a $10 would probably make me feel good right,
Right. 24 cents.
now. I won 50 cents.
I haven't got over $1 in a minute. Come on, move. One more.
420 was my biggest hit.
Come on, 6. 420 was your biggest hit?
420 was my biggest hit.
Darn it. I bet you it did hit good, huh?
I don't know.
6 hearts.
I have to send it to inspection. Proper authorities.
$1.14. I'm down to $18. Come on. Let me see a feature, y'all. Go. Come on.
350.
All the way.
Hey,
6.
Give them to her.
Ugh. I know. My elbows are itching, not my hands. What's going on here?
I think you need lotion.
I got lotion, but I want my hands there so I can win some money. 3. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. Win me a couple dollars maybe, if I'm lucky. Presents, chocolate, and diamonds. Oh, I'm up to 4. 470. Nice. I wish I had all diamonds. Come on, something's gotta give. 6.
Somewhere in one of these machines.
6 of them. 6. 3 more.
2 more.
You guys, I thought this machine would be loose. It's pretty tight.
Things are not always as they appear.
It's definitely. I want a heart-throbbing feature. 6.
Just want a trophy.
Yes.
It's like when I showed in Lungeline, I got
Living room.
3rd place out of 2 people. That's about the same
Third place.
equivalent of loss here.
Come on. I'm down to my last 10 buckaroos.
I was just talking to somebody the other day that shows in rodeo. I was like, you know what my worst moment ever was? Showing in Lungeline and getting 3rd place out of 2.
Aww. 3. Give me a feature. Come on, please. Oh.
I win.
Oh, you got it. Yes.
I was only betting $1.
Yes.
Okay, this time our feature is going to go way better than last time.
Stop. Get it. Right there. Come on, middle row.
They used
Come on,
10
come on,
spin.
come on.
Come on, do something here.
Come on,
Give me
middle
one.
row, middle row.
Give me one. Nothing. I did 2 features.
Boom.
Terrible. I only got $15.
I'm down to 517, so. Come on. I want a feature.
Maybe I'll get something in my 3 after my win.
Probably.
Maybe.
I think I can. Look, 70. Come on, 6. Yes! Thank
Yay!
you! Back to back.
Let's hope yours is better than mine.
Come on. Come on, hearts. Come on. Right there.
There you go.
Okay, come on. One. Right here. Right there. Come on. All over here. Right here.
2 more.
Yes.
2 more. Yeah.
Come on.
One more.
Right here. All there. 3 more spins. Come on. One more. All of them. None. Nice. Kept me in the game. Down to my last 4.
No, each of our 3 spins after a win.
Okay.
I'm sick of Lightning Link.
$22. 1. Oh. 2. Come on, baby. 3. Give me the other feature. No other feature. Did you already do your 3?
Probably, but I'm gonna do 2 more.
Come on, another feature. That's what we want. Hearts. No, 1 more. I'm out. I'm leaving with my $20.
There we go.
No.
And this feature is
now
gonna be
you're
a good
betting
one.
250?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, this is gonna be a good one.
Start the feature. This is where we win big.
Big.
All of our money back.
Big. That was $8. Come on.
Yep.
Trophies.
Big.
Come on, big. Yeah. Oh. Little something.
Right, now just give me 6 trophies. Put me over the edge.
Everyone always said we were gonna get binoculars for Bermuda.
Yeah, we never got binoculars.
Oh. Ooh, ooh.
And we're gonna get walkie-talkies.
Ooh.
There we go. What's that one do?
A whole bunch of 25s.
Yep. Jack Bridge.
Rich, throw a couple zeros on the end of that win right there.
Yeah. Good. I need to get like $140 to put us back at our 200 we started with.
Yeah, because I got 20. Come on. She's holding the golden ticket.
It's like Willy Wonka.
22 bucks. Nice.
Yep.
Well, I'm just going to
I'm
keep
just doing
going.
my 3 spins though. But there we go.
Yeah, keep doing your 3 spins.
Have to do your 3 spins. Hi. All right, another feature. And this one's gonna play nice with us.
Trophies.
There's another
Trophies.
mini. Trophies.
Trophy right
Give me
there.
there. All right.
Yep.
Give me more. Another trophy. Let's go.
15.
There we go. Go on, a big one.
5 more.
Another. Give me a major.
Yes.
Give me a
Come on.
grand.
One more.
Come on. Give me a grand in
Right
there.
there. Come on.
One more. Come on.
Trophy,
Fill it up.
trophy.
Trophy right there.
Yes.
There we go. Yes. All right.
Trophy.
Another trophy. Another one. One more. Go. It's still a lot better than the last one.
Oh yeah. You might have just did exactly what you said you was gonna do.
All right, hopefully. I don't think I'm quite there, but I'm pretty close.
I got 2 minis, so it was 10.
Pretty sure I
Nice.
kicked your butt on this challenge.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. I'm pulling out.
I'm still gonna do
I'm
three
taking my
after a win.
You absolutely
That was 2
can.
features in a row.
Yeah.
Can we do it 3 times? All right.
75 buckaroos.
3 spins after a win, and then we're out. 2,
Come on, Jack Rich.
3. There we go. $123.
Nice.
Oh,
Well, you guys, she was right. She actually won this one at $19.
that took till the very end to do anything. All right, I'm taking my $123 comeback.
Yeah. You won.
I did. I won. Like and subscribe to Slot Ladies to see all of our stuff we're doing this year. Download the app. Join the
Big
community on
Jackpot.
the YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook.
Everything.
Everything. All the things.
So much fun. Enjoy, guys. Good luck.